Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp backup from iCloud on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID used for the backup. Go to settings, then tap your name and go to iCloud and ensure iCloud Drive is turned on. If you still have access to your old phone, open WhatsApp, then go to settings, then go to chats, then chat backup to confirm the latest backup date. And after that, delete and reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. It must be the same number used for the backup. When prompted, tap Restore Chat History and wait for the process to complete. And after that, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have enough storage space before restoring. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.